Greetings, beloved multiversal soul familia, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be preparing a healthy snack that I believe would also serve as a yummy treat to bring along to a celebration event. And particularly what was on my mind is July birthdays, because I haven't sang happy birthday for those of you born in July just yet. And I thought, well, we can sing happy birthday for the July babies, meaning anyone born in July, and also put together this yummy but also extremely healthy snack that can be good for just about anyone, unless of course you have like a pistachio nut allergy or like a cayenne pepper seasoning allergy or a peanut butter allergy. I can tell this is already not starting off very well in terms of diversity and a universal snack. But anyway, if you don't have any known like foodborne allergies per se involving nuts especially, or dates, oh my gosh, then this may just be for you, okay? Before we get started, I'm going to take my rolling pin and I'm going to crush the little bit of pistachios that are left in this bag. These in particular, I'm not going to show you the brand per se, but they are the dry roasted chili and lime pistachios. So there's a little bit of a bite to these particular pistachios. But you can use, whoops. You can use pistachios or really any kind of crushed nuts that you like. I just happen to think that the pistachios pair the best with what I'm about to assemble here. So, I think that's good enough. We just want them crushed so that we can coat this yummy, healthy treat with them once everything else is assembled. Okay, and this is where the assembly part comes in. Because first we have to split the date, okay, and I like to kind of spread it out nice and flat and kind of mush it down just a little bit. And then what I have here in this measuring cup is a bit of peanut butter, but also with about a teaspoon of salted sweet butter mixed in so that the peanut butter isn't as thick and rich. And then we're just going to spread not nearly that much. Oh my goodness, that's a bit much for what we're trying to achieve here. So we're going to spread the peanut butter like so. And then we'll sprinkle in a little bit of these nut pieces. Oh, they didn't quite break up as well as I thought they did, but nevertheless, you get the general idea here. Okay, we'll put some of those on the inside, and then we're going to close her back up like so. And then we'll take a knife and cut them into bite-sized pieces, okay? And then we would turn it over so that the peanut butter is exposed. And then what we would do next is typically these would be crushed already. But since they're not crushed, I'm just going to apply a little bit to the top of each piece. In this case, it looks like we're barely going to fit like one whole nut and a couple of smaller pieces. Okay. And a little bit of sea salt over the top. And then we plate them. And they will hold better. They'll hold together better if they're chilled. And you just plate them nicely. And you have a delicious snack made with dates, peanut butter with a little bit of butter mixed in. Sometimes I would even bring in a little bit of chocolate, but even though a little bit of chocolate is said to be healthy and have some benefits, we're going to omit it just in case, like if we were attending an event and a parent may prefer that their child doesn't have the chocolate. So perhaps even prepare a variety, some with and some without, and perhaps even bring in a variety of nuts that you like as well to create a beautiful platter of healthy bite-sized snacks. And enjoy. So I'm going to finish assembling the rest of these off of camera. And yeah, just know that these are absolutely delicious. If, of course, the ingredients are your forte and you're not allergic. All right. So I want to thank you very much, Multiversal Soul Familia, for tuning in and listening. Let me know if you try out this delicious and healthy snack in the comments below whenever you see this. With much gratitude and appreciation, Multiversal Soul Familia. From my heart chakra to yours, brightest of blessings. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to life, babies. Happy birthday to you. Ciao for now. See you later on midday for Miracle Manifestation and Mission Focused Monday Messages premiering soon.